So, hello everybody. Today I'm proposing a session with a bit of gymnastics in Python. So it's really small exercises. In fact, the source of these exercises is simply the most popular questions about Python in Stack Overflow. Or at least most of them, because I ignored some more complicated questions about especially meta classes and static method versus class methods, stuff like that. But let's say it's maybe 10 out of the 12 or 13 most popular questions in Stack Overflow about Python. My view of the session was that for the beginners, it would be an opportunity to simply, do what we do in our everyday life of programmers, which is searching the internet for answers to small questions of syntax about the program. And by doing this, discovering some basic elements of the Python syntax that you might not know, and for more advanced users, it can be an opportunity to try to do as much as possible without searching on the internet. Try to do things more quickly. Maybe also try alternative versions of the same problem. Maybe test also which version is the fastest among the versions that you might be thinking of, and so on. And later, I thought also that it might be a good opportunity to for some of you to have a test on ChatGPT, because if for the moment you don't use ChatGPT in your everyday life of programmer, maybe it's interesting to test whether it's useful for you, whether it's fastest than a classical search on the web, or it's if it's less efficient. I let you see that, and maybe also to see if it's able to give you information about alternative solutions to a given problem, and so on. Maybe that's what I'm going to do during the session where you work. So the idea of the session is that you download the notebook. So sorry, I'm going to share my whole screen. In fact, no, that's stupid. What I'm doing is stupid. I will share the same window, but just open the links web page. How do I hide this? Yes. Check the links website, activities, working groups, Python workshop, today's session, and then you have a gist of today's notebook. And I think that if I click here, should be a link to GitHub, and then I think that I can download the zip, for example. You can do something like this. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to do something else, and you work. And if you have questions, then just raise a red flag, and then we will discuss about everything.